Alright, let's get started. This is Robert Boyle. He was an Anglo-Irish natural philosopher, chemist, physicist, and inventor, born in Ireland. Now, way back in 1662, Robert Boyle decided that he would publish the original law of pressure and volume in their relation to each other. Now, although the relationships between the two were first noted by Richard Townley and Henry Power, Boyle confirmed their discovery through experiments and published the results. Boyle tested many different experiments, but one specifically stood out and confirmed his theories. He used a closed J-shaped tube, and after pouring mercury from one side, he forced the air on the other side to contract under the pressure of mercury. After repeating the experiment several times and using different amounts of mercury, he found out that under controlled conditions, the pressure of a gas is inversely proportional to the volume occupied by it. With his discoveries, he created the equation that pressure 1 times volume 1 equals pressure 2 times volume 2. This equation shows that as volume increases, the pressure of the gas decreases in proportion. Similarly, as volume decreases, the pressure of gas increases. Now, this theory can be used in many different situations, like blowing up a balloon or operating a hydraulic press. An at-home experiment that you can conduct to test this equation in theory is with the Works toilet bowl cleaner, some foil, and a bottle. Here you can see my uncle filling the bottle with small balls of foil and then quickly pouring the Works toilet bowl cleaner into the bottle and closing the cap tightly. After a quick shake, quickly place the bottle on a rock or somewhere far away. As you can see there, the chemical reaction between the works and the foil caused an explosion. By applying Boyle's law, we can say that when the chemical reaction occurred, it let off a gas. This gas then filled the small empty space in the bottle. As the volume of space decreased and the pressure continued to increase due to the new gases that were formed, the bottle eventually blew up. Alright, now it's time for an example. Let's say that we have a balloon with a volume of 2 liters and it's filled with a gas at 3 atmospheres. If the pressure is reduced to a half an atmosphere without a change in temperature, what would the volume of the balloon be? First, we set up our equation where pressure 1 times volume 1 equals pressure 2 times volume 2. After that, we simply plug in our numbers to our equation. Our pressure 1 is 3 atmospheres, our volume 1 is 2 liters, and our pressure 2 is 0.5 atmospheres. Next, we solve basically like you would in algebra. We divide each side by 0.5 to get the variable alone. Once you get the variable by itself, you have finally found the answer for your volume 2. Boyle's law has not only been very helpful in the science community, but has brought an understanding to pressure and volume and how they relate.